In the hollers and fields where the wildflowers bloom, banjos pluck, stories, fiddles cry in the gloom. Dylan rolled a fodder with his hollows and sound. The bird on the roots deep in the ground. From the Cumberland Gap to the rolling Blue Ridge, legends emerge, their melodies bridge. Joe Scruggs, nimble fingers dancing on strings. His banjos spoke tales of moonshine and kings. Bluegrass roots we sing by the firelight, where the old tunes echo through the night. From the Carter family's harmonies divide to flat struck syncopated twine. Ricky Skaggs, a prodigy, ripping mandolin. His Kentucky heartstrings, a love letter to kin. Allison Krauss, her voice like mountain rain. Fiddles wept as she sang joy and pain. Brothers, their harmony's pure. In the Clinch Mountains, their legacy secure. Roscoe Oak and raw and unfiltered praise. His banjo wail, tears etched on its face. From the Grand Ole Opry to front porch jams, bluegrass roots run deep like ancient yams. The Osborne brothers, their voices entwined. In the hallowed halls, their spirits twine. And when the sun sets low and the fireflies rise, we gather round under star-studded skies. Banjos and fiddles, our souls' compass true. In this timeless rhythm, our hearts renew. So let the strings resonate, let the melodies soar. Bluegrass legends live on forevermore. From Monroe to Rice, from Scruggs to Rice, their echoes linger, their legacy spice.